Swiss life, the most surreal moments I have ever lived. Yes, it definitely feels like you are in dreamland when you are in Switzerland. Yes guys, you got it very right. This video is all about my Switzerland trip with my family, and whereas I'm gonna give you I'm gonna share some nice pictures and videos with you, like what are the places we have covered, and I'm also going to give you some piece of information about whenever you are planning your trip. Yes, of course, once this COVID thing is over, after that only. So once you plan what places you should cover, what should be the mode of transport, and where you can get the Indian meal. So yes, these are the things which I'm going to cover in this video, so just check it out. And yes, one more thing, one more very important thing, that if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do it, and also press that bell icon so that whenever I put up any video for you guys, you can get the updates sabse pehle.
So we booked TGV train, that is world's fastest train in the world. So yes, the experience was fantabulous, and it hardly took 3.5 hours for us to reach to Interlaken. The station name was Basel. So it almost took 5 hours for us to reach to Switzerland's oldest and most frequented summer tourist place, Interlaken. Yes, and इसका नाम Interlaken क्यों पड़ा? Because it is in between two lakes. So yes, we were all ready to explore this beautiful town. Just check out few of my pictures. Interlaken commands a magnificent view of the Jungfrau, which is 13,642 feet to the south, and it is also a starting point for many alpine excursions. So yes, we were all set to explore this beautiful alpine excursion, Mount Jungfrau, which is also called as Top of Europe. So Mount Jungfrau is Europe's highest train station, and yes, there are two routes to get there. Either you can go via Lauterbrunnen or via Grindelwald. So yes, I must tell you, it's not at all a cheap excursion, but very unique and worth the money. So this is what to expect once you have reached the Jungfrau. Like basically there is a lift which takes you to the observatory. So आपके पास वहाँ पे option होता है, either you can enjoy a 360-degree view, like either from the terrace or from the comfort of a building with windows. And yes guys, it's surreal. And yes, you also have one more option, that is an ice palace with many ice sculptures to admire. हम लोगों को तो बहुत मजा आया था. Me enjoyed this ice palace very much, and it was below freezing actually. If you're planning to go in summer, so you can also go for sledging, skiing, or either snowboarding in the Snow Fun Park. But yes, it is definitely not included in the train tickets, so you can directly pay and get book yourself. So यहाँ पर सबसे important point आता है what kind of preparation we should do when we are going at the top. Yes, because weather keeps changing there. Like sometimes it's very windy at the top, sometimes it's summery. So I would suggest to dress in multiple thinner layers so that you can adapt to the different temperatures throughout the day. Now let's talk about my favorite thing, food. Yes, authentic Indian food at the top of Europe. So it was expensive, but large choice of options. I remember we had chola kulcha, yogurt, pulao, and dessert too. So super hot Indian food in coldest place. What else you want? And can you just guess the name of the restaurant? Bollywood.